So right now I'm stood in front of the brand new Milwaukee Hexon range of heated jackets and jumpers. Now this is a revolutionary piece of workwear, heated workwear even, that you really need to see to believe. So what sets the Hexon stuff apart from your normal heated workwear? Well, the main thing is that it can come with a special Hexon heated workwear battery, and that is this here. Now this is a 12-volt battery, but first thing you'll notice, it's nice and slimline. So when it's actually fitted into your heated workwear, it's not going to be that bulky in and around you when you're wearing it. So even if you're, say, driving a van or in a car or whatever, and you've got it in your back pocket, compared to the standard M12 battery that is compatible with these jackets, but is also compatible with your other jackets as well, that's a much bulkier thing to have on your back. This is much more slimline, but that's not the main thing about this battery that you need to know about. This battery is Bluetooth compatible. So what this enables you to do is when you've got your workwear on, you can turn it on from the power of your phone, so it will start warming up before you've even got it on if you need to, and also control the areas in which it heats. So for example, take this one here. To be honest, this one's my favorite, this grey one here. So this has got heated elements across the chest, across the pockets as well, and across the back. But what you might be thinking is, oh, I'm driving the van, I don't want to be having a load of heat on my back because I just don't need it, I'm going to be up against the seat. You can go onto the app on your phone and turn it off on your back. Just have it maintained on the front of your body, basically. You can also control the amount of heat that you have. So you can turn it to from low, medium and high, depending on how much heat you want in each section of your jacket. Now you can see behind me, there are gilets, there are jackets. There are puffer jackets, which have got a nice hood as well, and even these full zip jumpers. So it's a massive range of heated workwear for you to have as well. And I did say that it is compatible with the standard M12 batteries, so you don't have to have one of these alongside it. If you've already got your M12 batteries, then you can just get the jacket and plug that straight into it. So this slots nicely into the back left of all of these pieces of workwear. You can see here that if I just unzip it, you see the cable on the back just clips in so easily for you. Another benefit of this battery is that you can see how much runtime it has left in it when you pair it with the app. Obviously with your M12 battery, you can't do that because it doesn't connect to your phone. Whereas with this, it will tell you how much runtime you have in it. So even if you're wearing it on site, you know you're going to be out for an hour and you're like, well, I didn't charge it yesterday. Have a look on my phone. Oh, it's all right, it's got 2.5 hours of battery time left in my heated jacket, so it's absolutely fine. It's just a complete luxury that you wouldn't be able to have before, and it's something that you wouldn't know you need until you actually use it. And with this innovative battery pack here, you can get up to 13 hours of warmth in your jacket. That's a huge amount. And what it does mean, for example, is you take it off at the end of the day, you don't have to put it on charge, and you can then get up the next morning, it's a bit chilly out, turn it on my phone, preheat my jacket. Who does that? Who preheats their jacket? Well, you can now. Preheat your jacket, chuck it on, it's nice and warm, ready for you to go, and you've got 13 hours worth of runtime out of it. That's an absolutely ridiculous amount of time to get out of an M12 battery. That's seriously impressive. And these Hexon jackets and jumpers come in both male and female ranges, so everyone can get involved and have one if they want to. So obviously, as I said, you can use this with the standard M12 batteries, but in that instance, you won't be controlling it with your phone, of course, but that's not a problem. Turning it on and off is still really, really quick and easy. It's literally just pressing the buttons on the front of the jacket, so that's no problem at all. The only difference you'll notice is that when you're not doing it with your phone, the light will be red, and when you're doing it with your phone, the light will go white on your jacket. So really easy to use. Obviously, this heated workwear is designed to keep you warm in the cold conditions, but the jackets as well are also weather resistant, so you don't need to be stressing if there's going to be a bit of drizzle and stuff around. So honestly, there's not a huge amount to tell you about because this full range really does speak for itself, and it is worth trying on if you can. So if you can come into a store, try it on, but if not, it is a seriously impressive bit of heated workwear for you to buy. I know I'm going to be getting one because I've had my eyes on that as soon as it landed in the warehouse, so I'm going to get myself one of those. The cold weather's on its way, stay prepared, get the Milwaukee Hexon jackets right now at its.co.uk.